Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M7 and the Hohem iSteady X3 SE Plus gimbals. Today, we'll explore how these two gimbals cater to different needs in the world of mobile videography. The iSteady M7 is designed for professional content creators, while the X3 SE Plus offers a budget-friendly option for casual users. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the best fit for you. The Hohem iSteady M7 is priced at $299, making it a premium option for serious videographers. In contrast, the iSteady X3 SE Plus is significantly more affordable at just $79, appealing to casual users and those just starting in videography. This price difference reflects the advanced features of the M7, but the X3 SE Plus offers great value for its price. The iSteady M7 features a dedicated magnetic AI tracker that provides precise tracking without the need for an app, ensuring reliable subject framing. On the other hand, the X3 SE Plus relies on software-based AI tracking through the Hohem Joy app, which, while functional, may not be as reliable as the hardware-based solution of the M7. This difference can significantly impact the user experience, especially in dynamic shooting scenarios. When it comes to portability, the iSteady X3 SE Plus shines with its lightweight and foldable design, weighing only 0.85 pounds. This makes it an ideal choice for travelers and casual users. In contrast, the iSteady M7 is heavier at 1.39 pounds, which may not be as convenient for on-the-go shooting. However, the M7's advanced features may justify the extra weight for professional users. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M7 and the iSteady X3 SE Plus offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're a professional looking for advanced features and superior stability, the M7 is worth the investment. However, if you're a beginner or looking for a budget-friendly option, the X3 SE Plus provides excellent value. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.